Sino ma puri sahil buhi ne ma. Kana. Why you slapped him? Why? I saw my eyes. You chased. It's okay. You slapped him. I saw him by own eyes.
I did not see him.
I saw him by own eyes.
I did not slap anyone.
You want to see a photo? Do you want to see a photo?
See, I'm chasing the protesters here. Okay.
Do you want to see? Who is this? Who is this?
How? Where am I slapping in that? Please show. Unnecessarily you are making allegations.
Hey, I saw you in my own eyes. We won't lie.
Arey bhai, I am chasing protesters.
You chase. Why are you slapping him?
I did not slap anyone.
Just because you are IPS, you can do everything.
No, I did not slap anyone. I'm chasing
Can you do this in
protesters.
Delhi? No. Can you do this in Chhattisgarh? No.
No, brother. I have not slapped anyone. I'm chasing
Don't look
protesters.
down on us like that.
Nobody's looking down here. I have good friends in the media. I have not slapped anyone.
I saw in my own eyes, man. Do you think I lie?
I'm chasing protesters.
Do you think I lie? How can you know that? No.
No, I don't hit anyone. I'm going to chase protesters there.
Don't you damn about you guys, okay?
No problem.
Arey chalo. I saw in my own eyes.
I am chasing protesters there.
Masuk ne. You said sorry to him.
Say sorry. No, if I meet anyone,
But I'm not saying it. Look not to me.
see, if I
Right.
Arey bhai, suno. See, I am chasing protesters.
This is not Kashmir. Remember.
Listen to me. I am chasing protesters out because they're trying to no. If we
No one paid us until you started firing. We were talking.
if anybody अरे आप लोग भाई है यार आप लोग हम क्यों मारे
No one knows. Why did you do that?
because the vehicle was destroyed by you
Not my team. You.